Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, there's going to be drinking. Look, there's going to be smoking. Look, there's going to be swearing. Look, you have been warned. So, because here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, last chance, fuckstick. 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name's Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. In the multiverse. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. The greatest in the multiverse. And we're back. Bang. I know, guys. I had to leave Saturday. I couldn't do the Saturday one, but look, we're back and we're at full force, full strength. Oh, yes. We're back at full force, full strength, full fuel. Look, brothers. Full fuel. All right. So we got a great one for you today. All right. So, we got to keep up on this. IOTA publishes its remediation plans. The whole hack. All right. So now we got the plan. Came out just, I think, a couple hours ago. So I'm going to talk about that. All right. Holy smokes. Look. Caitlin Long is to start a first native crypto bank. Yeah, here in America. Oh, yeah. Yeah, like a bank, a real one, regulated. You'll see. Here comes the money. Remember this. All right. We're going to get there when we get there. I'm not even going to start preaching or yapping yet. Let's do this in orderly fashion. And then finally, the U.S., bang, are going to hold a hearing. And this hearing is not like the other one that I showed you where it was about digital payments, but they had a few crypto things in it. No, this thing is all about digital currencies. And it's coming next month, and I'm going to tell you which committee and all this kind of stuff. So look, let's get doing what we do. So yes, but before we get beginning, I had a great weekend. It was lovely. It was wonderful. Up there in Colorado, man. Boom, beautiful country. Bang, mountains and stuff. Great stuff. And I know. One more thing. I know the markets yesterday, right? Killer. It killed the. It was brutal. It was a slaughter. I'm in a couple trades right now. I'm taking down the, what am I doing here? I'm taking down the Australian dollar against the yen, and I'm taking down the Canadian dollar against the yen. As we speak, I'm collecting some money. So look, let's get to the show, brothers. Bye. Look. And then we do a little bit of look. Yes. Oh, it's good to be back. Looking and banging, brothers. It's good to be back with you. I love you guys. I must say, I didn't miss you when I was gone. I didn't miss you when I was gone. But it is good to be back. All right. So look, price of Bitcoin, 9,581. Yeah, I didn't even think about you. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Of course I was thinking of crypto. I was talking crypto. Daggone. I was with, who I was with. But, it's good to be back, rocking and rolling. All right. So it's 9,581 right now is the Bitcoin. And when I left you on Friday, I know, it was $677. So we went down, what is that? I don't know, about $80 or something. Is that about $80? 80, my math. Anyway, man, who gives a shit? Look, about $80. All right, top 10 of the day, brothers. Let's do it how we do it. Well, first of all, let me get some fuel. That's how we do it, first of all. Let's prepare ourselves. Yes. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin Tether, EOS Binance Coin, and bang, Tezos still holding on the number 10. All right, Tezos is hanging in there. That's good. All right, market moves of the day, brothers. Well, you know how it goes. Single digits up, single digits down. 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 Oh yeah, V-Chain, you just keep doing that. Single digits up, single digits down. 2. Single digits up, 2. Single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Let's check it out. Bye. Woo, there's some sales right there, though. Look at those numbers. Top 10 loser of the day. Scicoin, Hedera Hashgraph, Wakey Chain, ABBC Coin, Wax, Status, Kyber Network, Icon, Elfin, Chainlink. Let's see who made money today. Bye. Top 10 gainers. DX Chain Token, Eternity, Algorand, MCO, Theta, Qtum, Eunice Said Leo, True USD, Qcoin Shares, and Binance USD. Let's look at the total market cap of the day, brothers and sisters. Look. Total market cap of the day is 276 even. $276 billion even. When I left you on Friday, we're at 280.7, so we went down $4.7 billion. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is today. 156.1. All right. Steadily, nice, constantly above that 100 number. Not even getting close anymore. Look, when I left you on Friday, it was 163.4. So about, what is that? $7 billion down. All right. Let's move on. Look. But IOTA Foundation publishes the remediation plan. This will happen. All right. So this is it, guys. So you should have your new Trinity wallets, right? So you got to look at your stuff inside, right? But you didn't get to like move stuff around yet. And so here's the next step, the whole migration and all this. So almost 9 days after, so pay attention. Pay close attention to what I'm saying. Almost 9 days after the hack of the IOTA Trinity wallet became known, the IOTA Foundation has now published a remediation plan. The plan includes a concrete action plan on how to get the IOTA network back up and running and how to prevent the hacker from using the stolen seeds to rob further IOTA from the Trinity wallet users. Well, it's not the network that's getting up and running. The network is fine. You can't hack IOTA, but so that no one gets their stuff stolen is what's going on. IOTA's being nice enough to keep the tangle on standstill for us so that we can do this thing but so the hackers can't get our stuff. All right. So blah, blah, blah. We're not going to read a lot of this because it goes into the hack like in in-depth detail. Like they went through the content delivery network and blah, blah, blah. They used a node package manager and all this kind of shit. Like, look. So I'm just going to say it in layman's terms because we're not going to read the full. I mean, they go into great detail here, man. Great detail here about the hack itself. And we're not going to go into that. What we care about and what I care about for you and myself is bang. When's this release? When's the migration tool coming? So it's going to come out next week. So let's just talk about the migration tool. Like, look, if you're interested in the hack and all that and you actually understand that, then, I post the links to these videos, these stories in every video I make in the description of the video. So have at it. All right. So hold on a second. All right. So I want you to remember this. Remember this. Some guy told me like, oh my gosh, IOTA, Shomari, you better sell. You better sell. Sell for what, fuckstick? Settle down, weekend. Settle down, weekend. First of all, I ain't no weekend. And second of all, you got to understand, IOTA wasn't hacked, right? It was the company that, all right, so first of all, let me go into great detail. So just so we can get this, so fucksticks stop bothering me about this thing, okay? Hold on, let me get a sip. Fucking morons. All right, hold on a second. All right, IOTA wasn't hacked. You can't hack it. It's quantum proof. I'm going to explain to you in layman's terms what happened. If you want to go into the full hack, well, here it is. These guys go into every flippant, says right here, bang, 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 on February 15th it started. The attacker started at November 17, 2019 with a DNS interception proof of concept, blah, blah. All right, if you want to get into all that, go into all that. But I'm just going to tell you what happened in layman's terms. IOTA had a wallet, Trinity Wallet. And they decided to add a feature where people could, they onboarded a company onto that wallet. So here's the wallet. And then this company provided so that people could buy IOTAs with their credit cards. And so IOTA was like, oh, cool, all right. We'll use you in our wallet to let people buy IOTAs with credit cards. And they were supposed to give some, if you really want to read it, it's there. They were supposed to give some sort of, some sort of something, all right? That's what I said. You can go read it, but they didn't. So the hacker did not hack the wallet. Like I told you before, you hack the third-party vendors. And that's what happened. They hacked MoonPay. The name of the company is called MoonPay, that allowed for credit cards, right? So they hacked MoonPay and got around in there. Well, you know what I mean? They got some seeds out of that. And so now what IOTA has done is obviously told MoonPay to go fuck themselves. You fucking useless pieces of shit. Look how you embarrassed us now, right? And so basically, but the damage is done. Let's not be, I'm not going to be too gentle. We have to be realistic. Whoa. Not the damage. What I should say is some people's accounts were compromised. Some people's IOTAs were compromised. And so what IOTA is doing is, because they don't know exactly how many are compromised, they're going to do this thing, which we're about to read now, which if you do it, yeah, your stuff will be fine. And also, not only will your stuff be fine, but also the attackers can't get at your stuff because they might have stolen more seeds. And so once you do the migration, well, they can, those hackers can try to use all the old seeds they want. They're dead, right? They're thrown out seeds. You know, they're not going to be part of the tangle anymore. Okay. So it's a hassle and it's shitty, but that's how life goes. And so remember that. Here's the tangle. There's nothing. Nothing happened with the tangle. All those onboardings we read, all the companies building protocols around the tangle, nothing's changed on that. The only thing that happened was a third party, which IOTA onboarded for their wallet, got hacked. These guys got to steal some seeds. IOTA doesn't know how many seeds, so they're saying, all right, well, fuck those hackers. We're going to give everyone new seeds, and now the hacker's just left with useless seeds, all right? So that's basically it. Now, here's what you got to do, brothers and sisters. In order to realize a rollback and return the stolen IOTA to their true owners, the IOTA Foundation will release a migration tool next week. All Trinity users are then encouraged to use the tool if they've used the desktop wallet between December 17th and February 17th. Regarding the concrete procedure, the IOTA Foundation writes, instead of turning on the coordinator immediately, we will provide a migration period for all at-risk users, meaning all of us. The migration period will give users time to initiate a migration of their tokens from their current seeds, which may have been compromised, to newly created ones. Yeah, so that old seed, you're going to migrate your stuff to a new seed, and that old seed, useless. The hacker, if he's got your seed, yeah, he can fuck around all he wants. There's nothing on there. It's dead. It's a dead seed. Users who may have been affected will be given 7 days to perform the seed migration. After the 7-day period has expired, the IOTA Foundation will begin validating the submitted contributions. All conflicting submissions must be validated through a KYC process. So remember we read about that? What was that? Oh, that was last Friday, actually, wasn't it? Yeah, last Friday. And so if a hacker tries to use your seed, you're going to have to go through a KYC process. I mean, let's get real. I think only about 20 people got hacked. And the attackers were after the big money guys. They went after, accounts with, lots of money in it. Like, I'm just telling you, you know what I mean? So it's probably not even affecting you. I doubt it's even affecting me, but I'm still going to do this thing. And like I said, ledger time. You can fuck that wallet. I don't care if you kicked out MoonPay or whatever they were. I'm not doing any wallet business ever again. Optionally, on the 8th and 9th day after the release of the tool, a community validation will take place. During this process, the community can check and validate the ledger status if there are conflicts. On the 10th day after the tool is released, the IOTA network will be up and running again with the new snapshot. So, bang. So, all the new seeds, that's the new, that's it. You know what I mean? All those old seeds are done. And the coordinator is switched on again. If users of the Trinity wallet are not able to use the migration tool in time, there is a risk that the stolen IOTA tokens will be transferred by the attacker. So you got to just migrate, man. Because you don't know if this guy's got your seed or not. So just migrate. Although, like I said, man, I don't want you to get too afraid. But just be careful. Like, these guys were out for big money. They were stealing, like, guys with, like, $1 million worth and stuff like that. Like, but still just do it. Because you never know. Maybe they have a whole bunch of seeds. And they started with the big ones. And maybe they'll trickle down to the smaller guys like us or whatever. Well, like me, I don't have $1 million worth of IOTA. I wish I did. If users of the Trinity wallet are not able to use the migration tool in time, there's a risk that the stolen by the attacker. It is also important for Trinity wallet users that the tool will only be available for Windows 7, Windows 10, Linux, and Mac OS, not for iOS and Android. The iOS, because the phones ones didn't get hurt. It was only the desktop version of the Trinity wallets that got messed up, that got hacked. Mobile users are therefore urged to use the seed vault, export, or enter the seed directly into the tool manually. All right. So we recommend all IOTA Trinity wallet users and all other IOTA supporters and investors to read the blog posts. In these, the IOTA Foundation addresses in detail how the attacker proceeded. Well, that's what I just showed you. It's in detail. If it's more detail then daggone. What measures were taken and how to prevent such attacks and security vulnerabilities in the future. So, that's what you're going to do. They're going to release this next week, and obviously I'm going to be telling you day of. And we're going to have 7 days to migrate our seeds to the new seeds. If you do that, bang, nice. If your seeds were compromised and the attacker did try to use it, well, then you're going to have to go through a KYC process, okay? Then, after those 7 days, there's going to be a validation thing. And on the 10th day after the tool is released, the IOTA network will be up and running, and we will be back to normal. So, have no fear, brothers and sisters. This has nothing to do with IOTA. It's a third party, this company called MoonPay that IOTA tried to use to allow people to get to buy IOTAs with their credit cards. And, that was a bad choice. Now, do you think IOTA is going to be allowing something like that again? I highly doubt it. They're going to say, well, if you want IOTA, you better head to Exchange, homeboy, and go get it. All right. So look, everything's all right. I mean, we still got work to do, but everything's all right. All right, so let's move on. But now look. Caitlin Long starts the first crypto-native bank in the U.S. Oh, yeah, this shit's serious right here. And the whole point of this is, this is a real bank she's starting. Like, not a real bank, a regulated bank. Well, what have I been telling you guys? Yeah, well, Shomari, when is the money coming, man? When's the flood going to happen, man? When's this fucking tsunami happening? Told you, when they have regulated, well, first of all, when regulations happen, but also they have to be able to play on regulated exchanges. Like, they're not allowed to go to fucking BitMEX and all these little, unregulated exchanges. You're not allowed to do that with your client's money. And now this is only one bank, but watch the sexy part at the end. Oh, geez, it's sexy. It's going to be good. I'll show you, all right? So let's go. Oh, let me get a sip. Yeah. This is fully regulated. Well, will be fully regulated. And, not that she's applying. It is regulated. It's already gotten it. All right, we'll read it. Hold on. Let me just get a sip. Telling the whole story before we read anything. What else is new? I know. All right, let's go. I get excited about these things. Look. Caitlin Long, a former Wall Street executive, who has helped Wyoming enact 13 blockchain enabling laws. So Wyoming here in America, they have the best laws for crypto right now. They're trying to be the crypto state of America. Is taking advantage, Fidelity's doing their stuff with crypto in Wyoming as well. Well, I think, and in Texas, but Wyoming's like big. Is taking advantage of the progressive Wyoming legislature to establish a first crypto-native bank in the U.S. Now, this bank is built for crypto, okay? The bank's name is Avanti, which means forward in Italian. Long made this announcement earlier today in a series of 29 tweets. Daggone, 29 tweets, just acting like Donald Trump. She believes that a critical piece of U.S. market infrastructure is missing, a regulated bank that can act as a bridge to the Federal Reserve for payments and offer custody for what? Look! Custody for what? And she says it. Big institutional money. She's not fucking around. This isn't for this bank right here. No, this ain't mom and pop. This ain't me and you. Bang! This bank is built, this Wall Street lady, she understands what the fuck. She ain't stupid. She's building it for all her Wall Street buddies. Oh, yeah. All her buddies on Wall Street. She even kind of brags a little bit about Wall Street. Hold on, I'll read watch this. Long thanked Wyoming Governor Mark Gordon for making this possible, as Avanti takes advantage of the Special Purpose Depository Institution Law, which is the optimal regulatory compliance structure in the U.S. for providing financial services around crypto. Blah, blah, blah. Cointelegraph reached out for a comment. They didn't give one. So, it's strictly regulated, which is buying what institutions need. All right? And want, actually. Well, for their safety. When they're doing stuff to soccer mom and dad in the markets, they don't want too much regulation on that. Let us do what we're doing, but to protect them, they want strict regulation. So look, and that's what we want. Bang! So they get here. However, Long notes that this special purpose depository law has stringent regulatory requirements. Stringent. According to this law, all deposits, in the case of Avanti crypto deposits, must be 100% reserved. You got to have the money in there for the stuff that equals the stuff. Avanti will also not be allowed to use deposits for any financial operations of its own. See how strict it is? A practice known as rehypothecation. Strict know your customer standard must be applied. And look at what she says here. Do not even think about trying to use Avanti for illegal or nefarious purposes, warns Long in a tweet. Oh, yeah, you're going to get fucked up. You're going to get fucked up hardcore. Look. Strange bedfellows. Long stated that she has had many long conversations with Adam Back, the CEO and founder of Blockstream, and an early contributor to Bitcoin prior to starting Avanti. She believes that Blockstream is an ideal partner for serving big institutional investors. Do you see what she's going for? She's going for big institutional investors, right? Like that. That's what's going down. That require what? Regulated banks to deliver them service around Bitcoin in the USD market. Exactly. What is it? They require it. They require that, right? They're not allowed. I've said this a gazillion times. You guys understand by now. And if you're new, well, fuck. Hedge funds aren't allowed to come here unless they got some regulated shit to put their money on and start playing in the markets. However, and this is the sexy I was telling you about. However, she states that Avanti will be what? Protocol neutral. And will welcome all cryptocurrencies demanded by clients. Bang! Protocol neutral. Yeah, if these mega guys want VeChain, which they're going to, she's going to give it to them. If they want IOTA, which they're going to, bang, she's going to give it to them. Yeah, anything they want. Let's do that again. Let's bang it again. What is it? Bang! Protocol neutral. She didn't give a fuck. What do you guys want to buy? What do you want to buy? I'll sell that to you. I am regulated, so she's allowed to do that, right? Right? It's not like Coinbase in that where they have to kind of limit the coins they give us. Binance here in the U.S. has to get a limit. Nah, she's a regulated bank. She's allowed to sell any daggone stuff she wants. Bang! And so, okay, hold on. Let's read on and then let me get to the ramifications of this. And what she says, and we'll welcome all. She said, we will welcome all cryptocurrencies demanded by clients. Well, what have I been telling you? Well, what do you think's going on? I mean, we've said it before here a million times. Yeah, there's a hedge fund manager over there. He wants into crypto. His analysts have been analyzing this space for probably a year or two. And they're giving him the breakdown. Sir, we think this thing VeChain is great. Sir, this thing IOTA is becoming a standard. Sir, Factum is being used by the daggone Department of Homeland Security. You know what I mean? Cardano's onboarded, what was it, Belarus and Ukraine or some shit like this, right? And they know, right? And so what do you think? When this is offered to them, they're going to be begging for those coins. They're going to be begging for those coins, and they are allowed to buy them from her. They're allowed to buy them from this bank. So, strange bedfellows, because it'll attract the best from the crypto and traditional worlds. So she says, I'm comfortable. Is she saying this? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, sorry. Let me start back up here then. According to Long, we can also expect to see strange bedfellows, because it'll attract the best from the crypto and traditional worlds. I'm comfortable plus have deep relationships with both in both worlds, and I'm equally comfy in New York City's concrete canyons. Yes, the New York Street concrete jungle. She's comfortable on Wall Street or in the wilds of Wyoming. So Long expects Avanti to open its doors in early 2021. And so this is what I want to show you, or what I want to say is, I mean, it's only one bank, but if you're a hedge fund and you've had your analyst analyzing this place for a while, now you know that soon there's an 2021. So, I mean, this is next year. You're going to be able to come get it fully regulated, fully everything. Like, no problem, no problem. And like what she said, I'm going to deliver to my customers. Where is that? Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Whatever's demanded by my clients. So if her clients ask her for VeChain, bang, which obviously they will. Belt and Road, major Fortune 500s. We can go on and on about VeChain. You know how that goes here. Well, not here, but you know how it is. And so what I'm trying to say is, load up. As usual, accumulate. Because here comes the first one, right? This first regulated bank. And, if I'm a hedge fund, now I have a place in America to come get some stuff. And this lady will give me all I want, right? And which means prices are going to probably start decoupling next year, right? When institutions start actually buying, creating scarcity, taking them off the market of revenue-generating, worthy companies out here, distributed ledger technology providers out here, right? And so load up. All right. If Long is right, that could lead to the influx of significant amount of new liquidity to the market. Absolutely. I mean, and that's the thing about her, or about this. Well, if she's the only bank doing it right now, yeah, well, those hedge fund guys, they want in before their buddies do. Get in, right? Everyone wants to be the first, right? Get in before, prices start flying, right? And so this is amazing. This is awesome. We are going to have a regulated cryptocurrency bank that not only offers just Bitcoin, right? Everything we always talk about, it's Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin swaps, Bitcoin options, blah, blah, blah. No. This lady's like, I got a full regulated bank, and I will serve you up whatever you want. Oh, yeah. Like a buffet, whatever you want. You want some roast beef? Let me cut you a slice. Oh, you want a little slice of turkey? Yeah. Whatever you want. Oh, yeah, she's serving it up, brothers. So look. This is coming next year. It's a beautiful thing. But now you got to also think about, well, other countries know. Well, sorry. Other banksters, they're seeing what this lady does. Let's see what happens in other countries. Like, who starts coming out with regulated crypto banks like this? Like real crypto banks. Banks that are selling the full spectrum of crypto. Whatever you want. Right? Not just Bitcoin. But an actual bank that'll sell you any asset you want. So, bang! Good for us. Good for the market. It's going to be great. Now, I know. It's 2021. But that gives you time to accumulate. Remember, I sometimes say this. Sometimes things are not happening to you. They're happening for you. So the fact that this is taking till 2021, well, look, worker bee. You only get 26 paychecks a year. So I suggest you spend those paychecks wisely going forward. All right? Look, because here comes the bread. Now, bang! U.S. House Subcommittee to host a hearing on digital currencies next month. Yep. And this isn't like the other hearings where it was about like digital payments. No. This is straight up digital currencies. They're talking crypto. They're just going to talk straight crypto. Oh, yeah. Obviously, I'm going to have this hearing posted to the top of the comments. Tweeted all over the place. Oh, yeah. Don't worry. I'll keep you posted on this motherfucker right here. So, Congress is set to host its latest hearing on digital currencies later this month, late next month. Congress, okay, people that matter. They do the voting and all that. So this is it. The U.S. House Committee on Financial Services, Subcommittee on National Security, International Development, and Monetary Policy will host a hearing on, and here's the name of the hearing, and it's straight the fuck up, a review of domestic and international approaches to digital currencies. So what's America doing, and what are others doing? Oh, they're going to have a bunch of experts and stuff. It's going to be great. On March 24th, so March 24th, well, on the 25th, you can expect me to be looking, banging, all about this hearing. At 2 p.m. Eastern, according to a notice published on the 21st of February. The subcommittee is chaired by Representative Emanuel. All right. No other information has been published about the hearing, including witnesses or areas of potential inquiry. A request for comments sent to the U.S. House Committee was not returned by press time. It's possible that the Facebook-backed stablecoin project Libra will be up for discussion. Fuck, of course it is. America, they don't like that Libra thing. They don't like Zuck and that Libra thing. So that'll be a topic, but it goes farther than that. Given past opposition to the initiative from committee chairwoman Representative Maxine Waters, she's the one who controls the whole committee, the whole Financial Services Committee. This is a subcommittee. Waters called on Facebook to halt work on the stablecoin in the wake of its launch. Oh. So you see what's going on? Finally, I guess why I'm bringing this up is I'm not going to bullshit you. I've been a little like, well, where's this? I've been a little upset. Like, well, where are the hearings and some legislation talk? You guys said you wanted to stop Zuckerberg. Yeah, well, that's in June. Look. We're at the end of February here, man. You guys going to get on with this or what? And so it's nice to see they are getting on with it. So other members of Congress have raised questions about Libra, with U.S. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell being questioned about it during twin appearances before the House and Senate earlier this month. So our House has, let me bang it again. Bang it for the first time. He got questioned in the House and the Senate earlier this month about Libra. So you see what I'm saying? So I was getting a little nervous. I was like, man, these guys aren't doing anything. I haven't heard of any, we had that cross-border payment hearing, but look, that's not the shit we need. That was just cross-border payment stuff, right? This is the stuff we need. Digital currencies, right? Approaches to let me bang this. Domestic and international approach to digital currencies. Exactly. This is the type of hearing, exactly what we needed, exactly what we want. And so I guess there's not really much more to yap about. March 24th, it shall be here. Oh, and I'll be watching, and I will be obviously telling y'all all about it. Bye. All right, I just took a look at my trades. Nice. Man, I wish I could show you them, but this isn't configured to show you it right now. Anyway, whatever, man. Those are Forex things. Whatever. Let's go. Bye. Let's talk to people. Let's give some shout outs. I missed you guys over the weekend. Not really. But look. Birch for airdrops. Bye. But I was looking forward to coming back. I didn't miss you, but I was looking forward to coming back and bang, chatting with you. So look, beautiful brawlies, the umbrella people. Bang, see you guys. Radster, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Look. Bye. Benham, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Bitcoin Kong, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Papa Doc, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Luke, see you, brother. Bye. Oh, yeah, V-Chain holder right there. All right, what's Biniam got? Oh, this shit. Biniam, I did see you put this actually before I started the show. So some serious VTHO buys are going on. The account withdrawing 50 million VTHO to another one has been buying 100 million VTHO before. Yeah. That's a new company that V-Chain start. Maybe I'll read that story tomorrow. There's a company that is going to use V-Chain to authenticate items, and they're also going to make them non-fungible. I don't know why I didn't read that shit. Don't worry, we'll read that tomorrow. And so, actually, the story that I read talks about the 50 million V-Chain that they put in there and all that. So, yeah, it's because of a new company. They're buying all of these non-fungible tokens, and how it's going to be. Sorry. Let me calm down. They're going to make non-fungible tokens that represent real products. So you're going to get this product at your house or whatever, but on the blockchain, there's going to be a non-fungible token representing it, right? And with all its authentication information and all this, and it's free for the people. It's free for the users until they sell it. If they sell the product and then transfer the non-fungible token to another person, well, then the consumer has to pay. But it's going to be free at first for the consumer, and that's why that company bought a whole bunch of V-Chains, because they're going to, I guess, sort of pay for it for people for now. Anyways, I'll read it to you. I didn't get it too much deep into it, but tomorrow I think I'll dig around and I'll see if I can find that, and we'll talk about it. Bye. Whoops. What happened to the bang? Oh, the tweet got deleted? Benny, you deleted it? All right, well, that's what happened, guys. All right, Benny, look. CB News. DeFi native investment platform SET protocol has added new token SET that rebalances between Chainlink's token and USDC. Oh, depending on the former's daily relative strength index. Right. So there's going to be something, and they're going to use RSI, relative strength index, and they're going to use Chainlink's information for the RSI, and that's where they're going to get their price discovery. There's more to it than that. I didn't get too deep into it, but nice. And let's see if we can bang this one, or did he delete it? Bye. All right, he kept that one on there. Look, Radster. Oh, all right. That's because I said I was back. CB News, crypto custodian. Oh, this is an old story, Miniam. But let's give it a bang anyway. Bang! Yeah, that story's from like, I don't know, but old. Oh, and that's the story I just did. Look. Bang! Bitcoin Kong. Look, brought us some fat man. Yes. Look, brothers. What do we got here? Holy shimoki. When Caitlin comes out with her new crypto bank, look. When Caitlin comes out with new crypto banks, your portfolio is going to go boo. When Fidelity comes out with their stuff, your portfolio is going to go like boo. And look, brothers, never have any doubt that your portfolio will one day look like this. Boom. Just a matter of time. We love some fat man around these parts. Look, fatty. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Let me bang the fatty. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bah! Yes. Fatty gets a piece. Gets a piece of the bang. Look, James C. I'm cool. Cryptocurrency gangster. Wenzil. All right. Look, gangster. Bah! Cryptothonic. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Edward Ditko and the Ditko family. Yes. Bye. Love you guys. What do we got here? Who are these guys? Little no-namers. Lee. 11. Lee, where's your picture at? Bang. You had a picture before. Lazy Lefty. Bang. See you. All right, this moron little ripple over here. Fuck him. Airdropper 007. Son of a bitch. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yeah. So this guy right here, airdropper, he's a stock market killer. And so the big crash happened yesterday, right? And so I was like, boy, man, you better have made that money. And he was like, look, I had to unwind some shit before I could get into kicking ass, right? I forgot about that about stock guys. Like the stock market, when it's all tanking, because the stock market is called a zero sum market, right? So zero sum, in other words, if someone's winning, someone else is losing. Like you have these products and people are buying them from you. And so when the market's going down, well, no one wants to buy that shit from you, right? Whereas in the Forex market, we have big mega corporations that actually want to buy things when things are going down. I know it sounds fucked up, but that's the beauty of the Forex market is big mega corporations, they're trying to keep what's called PPP, purchasing power parity, across their global company, right? So they got I don't know, let's say a company, Ford USA, Ford Europe, Ford Japan, right? And what they do is they want to have across those entities enough money to buy whatever, so they want to keep this certain amount of money. So if the Japanese yen is flying and the dollar is tanking, well, they don't mind. They don't care because it's still their purchasing power parity is still the same, right? Okay, I'm losing on one asset, but I'm going up. And that's why the Forex market is great because they don't care, right? They're in it for purchasing power parity. And so they just sort of give us the money. If they're yen, sorry, let me think about it, a better way to say that. Yeah, say they have US dollars versus the yen over here, and they have something over here. I don't know, man. When the US dollars go down, wait. Sorry, when the US dollars go down over here, wait. No, sorry. When the US dollars go down over here in Japan, there's a little fuel. They don't mind that, their US dollars go up over there. Wait. I'm not saying it properly. Fuck. Oh, this is lame. It's embarrassing, actually. Anyways, they keep PPP. So across the whole company, they want a certain amount of money. And so that's why in the Forex market, we have instant liquidity. Like, there's no way that I get stuck with GBP JPY contract. No, it doesn't happen at all, ever. You can't. And, where's the stock boys? It's a zero. They're called a zero sum market. So when shit is going down, all right, well, no one buys it. So you're stuck with them just watching your holdings dwindle, right? Anyways, all right, look, buy. Fuck, I fucked up the explanation. Now I'm going to have to read the good way to say it. About purchasing power parity. Actually, we could look it up right now on Google. Let's check that out. Fuck that. I got to mention that. Purchasing power parity. So this is what companies do. What is purchasing power parity? Buy. Investopedia is your friend, people. Don't be afraid of it. It likes to teach. Look. Okay, purchasing power parity. So this is perfect because now I'm going to read to you the fucking textbook version. One popular macroeconomics analysis metric to compare economic productivity and standards of living between countries is purchasing power parity. Oh, they're using it in terms of countries. But actually, companies do this thing too, okay? PPP is an economic theory that compares different countries' currencies through a basket of goods approach. Oh, they're doing it for the companies. I'm talking about PPP for countries. Sorry, not countries, but companies. Hold on, let me see if they say something. They're just talking about Nature's purchasing power parity. But it's the same thing. What your country does is the same thing as what these big megacorps. So PPP is for megacorps, like, mega. Microsoft, Ford, GM, Boeing, the megas. Really? Oh, yeah, these guys are just talking about it from the, hold on, let me just see if they say anything about it. Nah, all right. But companies do the same thing. So they don't mind if they lose money in the yen market because, all right, well, we're making money over here. And so that's why no matter what, when I trade, I can sell, right? All right, look, let's just move on. Let's just move the fuck on. Oh, this thing, DJ Poppywood. Yes, Poppy. Poppywood. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Oh, now he's Pollywood again? All right. Oh, you're Poppywood now, brother. That's how it's going to be. And so this guy, he's just cursing out. Let's look. It's the eye of the storm, baby. You see what he says? This is going to make the 80s look like a nursery rhyme. That's what I keep telling you. Dot-com bubble was one thing. This is going to be so mega as well. All right. So this guy's cursing out people. And that's what not Poppy. That's what Airdropper's saying here. Dan Pena, good mentors will give you a good ass whooping. This guy's not fucking around. He's like, listen, morons, you don't got your money in? What's wrong with you? Your grandchildren are going to ask you, what the fuck were you doing? That's what he says with your thumb up your ass and all this. All right, let's move on. Jeremy Treadwell. What's this guy about? Vision capitalist, product leader and futurist, passionate about customer-centric experiences and data privacy. Great. See you, brother. Bye. All right. Look. The Pascuayaki tribe. Chief Bivizo. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. DP. Soul brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Rob, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Bren C. Spy lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. What else we got? What's Poppy talking about here? Oh, Poppy, you've been dropping these fucking little robot things. What? All right, let's look at this robot thing for a second. Oh, it's doing some flips. All right. Yeah. Oh. What's going down? All right, so that's everybody. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. All right, we're back. All right. So look, we had a great show for you today. The update. IOTA publishes its remediation plan. So the new thing the tool is gonna come out next week. Obviously, I'll be talking about that and posting all the links to go download it and all that. And it's just a matter of wait. You're gonna get 7 days to do your migration. If there's any problems, if a hacker did try to mess with your seed, well, you're going to have to do this KYC thing. A little annoying, but I doubt they messed with your seed because they went after the big money, right? I don't even think my thing's in trouble anymore, but I'm doing this. And then obviously, like I said, bong, Ledger Nano time. All right, so that's that. And then Caitlin Long to start a first native crypto bank. Now look. And she said, we'll sell you anything you want. What'd they call it? Protocol neutral. We don't care. You want VeChain? You want IOTA? Got you, son. Cardano? Look. Some Factum? Look. Oh, yeah. All of it. And so some Cardano, we got that for you, bro. And so that comes out, it's in a year, 2021, so that gives you time to accumulate. I mean, I'm not saying take your time because you never know. Some other bank might just come out with this in their country and already be like, bang, we're already launched with something like this where they're just going to sell you anything you want, right? And so, and like I said, hedge fund guys, they don't care. They'll go work with a hedge fund in the UK, in Europe, wherever. All right. So regulatory arbitrage, when these analysts, like I said, these analysts have been telling their boss for a long time what's good to go. And as long as they can get their hands on it, they'll do what they have to do to get it. If they're serious about it, right? So amazing. And the U.S. to hold that hearing. When is that shit? On March 24th at 2 p.m. All right. And then obviously we shall be watching that. So that's it. Let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Look. My name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money, love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home. And I'll see you guys tomorrow again for another great one. All right, so subscribe to that little bell right there. Watch this little movie right here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Bye. Yes. Oh, and I'm on fucking duty right now. I'm killing the market. Oh, as we speak. I wish I could show you these trades. Look. See you guys tomorrow. I'm always on duty. Subscribe. Watch the movie or the video. And I'll see you tomorrow. Always on duty. Bye. Over and out.